Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Microsoft Store with error code 0x802400066 when attempting to install applications from the Microsoft Store. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings and i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung privacy and security, so click mo lang yan. And dito sa right side, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung for developers. Alright, so under dito sa security, and then select mo lang dito yung for developers, so click mo lang yan. And then dito lang sa pinakauna makikita mo dito yung developer mode. Okay, so kailangan lang natin itong i-turn on and off. Okay, so dito sa right side, i-click mo lang yung button nya and then turn on, and then click mo lang dito yung yes, and then next ay click mo lang dito yung turn off. Ayan, so once nagawa mo na yan, in hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so close lang natin yan. And other solution na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang ulit sa search menu and dito sa search for apps. So type mo lang dito yung command keyword na WS reset. Ayan. And then next step, so click mo lang dito yung open. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. Kaya ginagawa natin yung command keyword na WS reset is para mag-back to default yung Microsoft Store. And in hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists ulit, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin yan. And dito lang ulit sa search menu, so click mo lang yan. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-type dito yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. At dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Ayan, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Microsoft Store with error code 0x802400066 when installing apps. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.